Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial of Gdevelop 5. In this tutorial you will learn some basic about function and behavior feature of Gdevelop 5. So I'm opening a simple platformer project. It's so basic. I'm playing the preview. Such a basic platformer. Okay. So if we go to main events, we can see some groups. There is a group called player animation. It's so basic with PC control, and this command help us to animate the player. You know that. So what we want to do is we want to convert this group to extension so that we can use that extension and use it for different sprites. To convert a group to extension, you have to right click on it, extract event to a function. It's all the naming things for your learning. I'm naming it so simple: RTB1, RTB2, RTB3, RTB4, sorry, 4. In here you have to do something like RTB5 and PAM1 and hit create. Done. So you can see our group is not here anymore. It's converted to an extension, and this extension have a function, and that function had an action. So if you open the project manager, you can see there is a extension. Open the extension, you can see RTB1 is our extension name, our function name is RTB2, and this. Here is our event group, parameter, object. Okay, so now what we want to do is export that extension so that we can use this extension to different files. To export a extension, you have to do is, first you have to know what does this naming thing. You can see there is a RTB called folder, RTB3 and RTB4. You have to be very careful about naming the extension. So where were we? Yeah, we were exporting the extension. To export extension, it's RTB6, version 0.1, tags RTB, author name RTB, and hit export extension to a file, desktop, my simple platformer, assets, create a new folder, extension. So if you see, there is an extension. So now I am not saving the project, I am closing the project. Okay, take desktop. Here is our platform. Okay, so we are deleting this group. Add an event. So we are importing our extension that we made. You can do for other file also. Import extension. Okay. So now we can use it as our custom action. Okay, so if we hit preview, yeah, our extension is working fine. So thanks for watching. I hope this video will help you.